Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Making sarson ka saag is super easy. It's only the preparation work that takes time. So please note down the ingredients and let's get started. So plucking the leaves and cleaning them are the first task we need to do. Once we have plucked the leaves, we'll clean them by washing in a running water. It takes a little time. So here I have finished my plucking. Wash it 2 to 3 times. So here I have cleaned my mustard greens, sarson ka saag. Now I'll add in some garlic, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 6 to 8 green chilies and grind to a puree. Some people prefer really smooth saag while others like it to be a little coarse. If you want it completely smooth, use a high-speed blender. And prepare a puree as per your choice. Now heat a pan, add in a mustard oil. Now add in a green puree. The pureed saag is then cooked for several minutes until it thickens. Add in salt. Now cook until it starts leaving oil. Do not forget to cover. It will splatter a lot. So cover and cook until it starts leaving oil. It has now started leaving oil, so we will switch off our flame and start plating. Garnish with some fried onions. a few drops of mustard oil. This oil has a distinctive pungent taste. Add the mustard oil only if you like the strong and pungent taste of the oil. You can also temper it with hing and dry red chili. But if you make sarson ka saag this way, you do not need to add any tempering to your saag. Please try out my recipe and give me your feedback in a comment section below. This sarson ka saag is the easiest way to prepare a sarson ka saag. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak.